Welcome, today I'm here with my Motorola Moto E40 and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So to do that, we should press the up or down volume button on the right side of our phone. That doesn't matter which one. After that, you'll see here this bell icon. Just tap here twice and now we can see that the calls and notifications, they will be muted. This means that the silent mode is activated on our device. If you want to turn it off, by the same way, just click only once on this bell icon and now our calls and notifications, they will ring. So that means that we'll just turn off successfully the silent mode on our Motorola device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.